Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna share with you the complete flip through of my Mess May 2025 journal. But before I show you each of page, I want to explain a little bit about how I approach filling the pages of this journal. As I am working at the same time on my 100-day project that it's all about drawing ink flowers, the first thing that I thought was to avoid drawing flowers in this journal, so I could explore different methods and techniques. So this was my first decision, so you will not see probably, I think, any flower drawing here. You will see flowers for sure, but not flower drawings. And the other thing was not to add tabs and tags and tip-ins and pockets. I have just one exception of in one page that I did that I made a pocket, but in overall I didn't add anything extra to the pages, just some embellishment in the edges of the pages, because this is an outread book, and I was afraid that if I added too much things, the journal would turn out very bulky. So yeah, that's why I also defined a color palette. This is inspired by the cover. As you can see in the cover, I decorated with shades of blue. I have this navy blue here, and also this violet, purple and black. So I orbitated around this color throughout the journal, and yeah, I think this is it. I'm gonna now show you a silent flip through of all the pages of the journal, so you can enjoy how all the interpretations of the prompts that I did. So I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.